Is it the right time to buy or sell Disney stock? That's the question we'll be exploring in this video. We've already provided an initial report on our website, but now we're delving even deeper to give you a more detailed analysis. Make sure to stay updated on our latest analysis by subscribing, hitting the like button, and turning on the notification bell. We don't want you to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. You can tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Lastly, please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 18, 2024, our system has ranked Disney as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now, let's take a closer look at how the stock has performed during this period. Surprisingly, Disney's stock has surpassed our expectations, with an impressive gain of 19.88% since our recommendation to buy it 16 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 1.24% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates high volatility and risk for the following trading day. Given the latest developments, we are currently unable to determine the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The stock has recently broken a weak rising short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of rise. If there is any pullback, there will be support at the previous trend's breakpoint of $99.98. This could present a second opportunity for a potential gain. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 4.92% change expected in the next 3 months. However, there is also a possible return range of -13.79% to -5.10%. Analyzing the 12-month trend, there is a projected -8.31% change over the next year. This suggests a potential return range of -37.10% to -8.31%. Therefore, the stock price might range from $69.53 to $101.35 after 1 year. Our latest update for Disney reveals exciting news: a very strong day for Disney stock price on Thursday. On the last trading day, Thursday, February 8, 2024, the Disney stock price saw a significant gain of 11.5%. It rose from $99.14 to $110.54. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 5.59%, starting from a low of $106.80 and reaching a high of $112.77. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances and has shown an overall increase of 16.53% in the last 2 weeks. The volume of shares traded on the last day also increased along with the price, which is considered a positive technical sign. In total, 32 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 58 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $6.36 billion. Looking back at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price for Disney was $118.18, while the lowest price was $78.73. At present, the price is 6.46% below the 52-week high, which is a difference of $7.64. Furthermore, it is also 45.55% below the all-time high recorded on March 8, 2021, when the price reached $203.02. Today, let's talk about analyst ratings for the stock of the Walt Disney Company, DIS. On Thursday, February 8, 2024, Deutsche Bank gave DIS a buy grade with a hold action. Moving back to Thursday, November 9, 2023, Morgan Stanley also weighed in on DIS with an overweight grade and a hold action. Earlier on the same day, Benchmark rated DIS as a buy with a hold action. Turning to Wednesday, November 8, 2023, Credit Suisse gave DIS an outperform grade with a hold action. Lastly, on the same day, Seaport Global offered a buy grade for DIS with an initialize action. Analysts have given Disney stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as a buy and price to book as a buy. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts also give the stock a buy rating. Today, let's analyze the signals for Disney stock. When we look at the moving averages, both short and long-term signals suggest a positive forecast for the Disney stock. The relationship between these signals also indicates a general buy signal, as the short-term average is currently above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, there is support expected at $99.41 and $93.60. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. On Wednesday, January 10, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 23.8%. This indicates a potential further rise until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, we have a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. This is further supported by rising volume along with the price, which is considered a good technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicator is showing a buy signal. Pivots have indicated a buy signal 21 days ago. Bollinger Bands have shown a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average has given a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average has given a buy signal 19 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages has indicated a buy signal 15 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average has given a buy signal 19 days ago. The long-term moving average has given a buy signal 63 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages has indicated a buy signal 57 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Disney. When it comes to the downside, the stock has some support levels we need to keep in mind. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $93.93 and $92.50. It's important to note that when a stock tests a support level, there's a natural risk involved. If this support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next one. In Disney's case, the next support levels would be at $93.93 and $92.50, followed by $90.34. Moving on to risk, it's worth mentioning that this stock has average movements during the day and a good trading volume. As a result, the risk is considered to be medium. Looking at the last day, the stock had a price range of $5.97 between its high and low, which translates to a 5.59% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.7%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Disney, let's first discuss some important fundamental data. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate strong future growth. Moving on, Disney's upcoming earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled for May 08, 2024. Today, let's dive into potential day trading levels for Disney. Currently, there are no significant resistance levels based on accumulated volume, indicating that the stock has the potential to move upward rapidly. If the right conditions align, it might be a good idea to enter a position and monitor volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Disney encounters its first support level at $93.93. If this support level holds, it could present a great entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. The consensus rating for Disney from multiple analysts is a buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On February 5, 2024, James P. Gorman conducted an insider buy of 0 shares. On January 17, 2024, Sonia L. Coleman conducted an insider sell of 1,154 shares of restricted stock unit. On January 17, 2024, Sonia L. Coleman conducted an insider buy of 1,154 shares of Disney common stock. On January 17, 2024, Sonia L. Coleman conducted an insider sell of 474 shares of Disney common stock. On January 17, 2024, Brent Woodford conducted an insider buy of 1,178 shares of Disney common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is positive at 72.890. In total, insiders have purchased 875,317 shares and sold 134,648 shares in the last 100 trades. For this stock, we recommend setting the stop loss at $104.68, which is a decrease of 5.3%. This stock generally has moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. However, it's important to note that the RSI 14 currently stands at 85, significantly increasing the risk level. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 20 days ago. Is Disney stock a good buy? While Disney holds several positive signals, we believe they are not enough to consider it a buy candidate at this time. It would be better to hold or accumulate the stock in this position and wait for further development. Our analysis of the volatility and movements from the last trading day indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, February 9th, we anticipate Disney stock to open down $0.503 and start trading at $110.04. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. Always consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions.
Welcome back to StockInvest. Today, we'll be taking a closer look at the current state of the stock market. We want to hear your thoughts on this, so make sure to comment below and share your opinions. We're also curious to know what your target is for this particular stock. Like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Our team wishes you success in your trading endeavors. Have a wonderful day.